hello. Hello. सो सर्वर इज़ रनिंग, सो आवर प्रोजेक्ट इज़ रनिंग, और मतलब बैकएंड हमारा अच्छे से रन कर रहा है, ठीक है। ये तो श्योरिटी मिल गया हमें, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पर क्रिएट किया था एक फंक्शन जो कि स्लैश पे हमारा होम पे राउट करेगा। सो हमने यहाँ पर अपना फंक्शन रन किया, एज यू कैन सी ओवर हेयर द सर्वर वी हैव रन विद द कमांड uvicon app.main रन किया, ठीक है। इसने लोड किया, इस राउट पे लोड करेगा। यहाँ से हमारा डिफ़ॉल्ट राउट यही होता है स्लैश, सो हम वी गॉट ओवर देयर एंड वी जस्ट रन ओवर कमांड, ठीक है। मूविंग अहेड, सो अभी मैं जो कर रहा हूँ ना, मैं प्रोजेक्ट एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आई एम जस्ट बिल्डिंग अंडरस्टैंडिंग। इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड लाइक द चैनल, ठीक है। Main refers, okay. Uvicon क्या करता है? Uvicon starts the server app.main refers to the app/main.py file. Okay, ये तो समझ में आ गया। फोल्डर के अंदर app.main.py file है। Caller uses app host API object inside the file, ठीक है। हमने create किया है object, ठीक है। Digest load automatically restart server whenever you changes file. पेजेस ओके, ठीक है। गाइस इफ़ यू आर न्यू प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। सो हम रोज़ नाइट को चिल करते हुए प्रोजेक्ट्स क्रिएट करेंगे, ठीक है। बैकएंड डेवलपमेंट, ठीक है। I think messages are not appearing here. Now it's time to understand the APIs get in post. Okay, this is one of the most important concepts in backend development. Right now you have app.get slash या I have the slash out जो कि हमें होम पेज पे ले जाते हैं जब हम लोकल होस्ट पे कॉल करते हैं तो नहीं चल जाता है. The browser asks the server, can you give me some information? This is get request. Think of it like customer can see the menu. Okay, restaurants, here is the menu. No data is being sent by the customer. Okay. But what will your resume and other do? The user won't just ask for the information. They will send a resume and job description. That's completely different. User will upload a resume, upload job description, backend will analyze the resume and return report. Okay, this is called a post request. Think of it like the customer will share, here is my resume, analyze it, restaurant will say okay, let's cook something. Okay, and restaurant here is a meal. Okay, that's it. The customer sends something first. Okay, understanding. In a project, later you will have an endpoint like post slash analyze. The front end will send the resume introduce and the description. Your backend will analyze and return. So, ठीक है. Why are you learning this first? Because every AI application follows this. Front end post request. Then going to the fast API to LangGraph to generate fast API. If you understand this flow, LangGraph will make much more sense later. Okay. Today, coding task. We will create our second API endpoint. What to resume set. Okay. We will make a simple endpoint that accepts a name from the front end will send. The backend will respond hello. This will teach you what a post request is, how fast API receive data, how JSON is handled, how request bodies works. These concepts are essential before we start uploading PDFs and integrating LangChain. Our task before we write code, I want you to answer this in your own words. इसकी जगह कैसे करूँ तो ये ज़्यादा बेटर है. I think this is more better. Yeah, it's way more better. ठीक है. ठीक है. This will teach you what a post request is, how fast API receives data, how JSON is handled, and how request bodies work. These concepts are essential before we start downloading PDFs, uploading PDFs, and integrating LangGraphs. Okay, your task before you write the code. I want you to answer this in your own words. What is the difference between the GET request and the POST request? Just 2-3 line enough, don't worry about the being perfect. Once you answer, you will write the first post and points. So according to me, storing the backend and to retrieve the data, we use this, but we will get it best. That's my best understanding. Let's see what it responds in back. Excellent. There's why close. The small correction in the post required is mainly to send data to the server. The data may be used for create, analyze and process something. Updates are commonly done with put and patch. ठीक है, हाँ सही है, मतलब वो different ports use करते हैं, portals use करते हैं. Though my APIs do not use post for updates too. हाँ, though many that's a refined answer. So a refined version would be get is used to retrieve data from the server, and post is used to send data to the server so it can create, process and analyze something and then return a response. Okay, for your resume analyzer, let me do something clearly over here. Wait a second bro, wait a second. ठीक है. Where was I? Get is server running, or here's my resume, please analyze this. Okay, that's it. Receiving data with post. Today we will make our first request real API. ठीक है. Instead of sending a resume, we will send a simple JSON object. ठीक है. The flow client will send to with the help of fast API to the backend, and the backend will return the JSON object, and I will send the JSON. Okay, JSON to JSON, we will send the data. Before writing code, one new concept: fast API doesn't magically know what data you are expecting. Imagine someone sends my name, someone sends my name. How does Python know there should be the field name? We define a schema. A schema is simply a blueprint that says every request must contain this field. In fast API we use pydantic models for this. या pydantic भी बहुत सुना सा अभी यूज़ करेंगे तो समझते रहेंगे. ठीक है. Think of it like a forum. Okay. Registrations it is like a forum, registration forum, name, age, emails. The form tells you exactly what information is required. A pydantic model does the same thing for JSON. ठीक है. Your coding task inside app, just create a new file called schema.py inside the app folder. We are creating this. We are separating our code into files from beginning because that's how professional fast API projects are organized. Then adding this code. The code we are gonna add is, then add this. Okay, this code. Okay. I got a watching of 2, मतलब कोई एक देख रहा है. If someone is watching my video, please comment anything so I will see is someone watching me. ठीक है.